Hello students, welcome back to the another session of Satyanarayana Study Circle. Today we are going to learn about acids and bases. What is the acids are? Definitions students, substances which are so to taste are called acids. Acid example students, HCl, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, acetic acid. The formula HCl, hydrochloric acid, strong acid, you know students. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4, strong acid. Weak acid, CH3COH. Okay, all are acids. Okay students. Next, the acids which are present in plants and animals are called natural acids. That is most important students. Example here see formic acid students. Okay. Next, the substances which turn blue litmus to red color is called also acid. Another definition students. Here, turn litmus paper, turn blue litmus to red color. That is most important student. Right. Next, acids react with all acids. Acids react with metals like zinc, copper and liberates hydrogen gas. Here see for example students, HCl, acid HCl plus zinc gives rise to ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. Gas symbol students here see hydrogen gas. Arrow mark upward. This is called gas, hydrogen gas. Most important. Acids react with metals like zinc, copper and liberates hydrogen gas. Okay now students, this is example. Right, next. Acids react with marbles and liberates hydrogen gas which turns lime water into milky. This is most important students. Lime water into milky. One type of test students. Right? Next, acid rain. Acid rains. You know students. Okay. Definition. Acid rains are the combination of carbonic acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid with rainwater. Students, okay. Acid rain causes damage in buildings and mountains like Taj Mahal and our skin. Okay, student, understood? Industrial waste gases contain sulfur dioxide, SO2, nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide, CO2. When they are mixed with moisture, they change to sulfuric acid, nitric acid, a carbonic acid. This is most important. Industry area, this is important. Example, Hyderabad, Balnagar, AP, Vizag. That is industrial areas. Examples. Next, students. Acids, bases, and salts are very useful in our day-to-day life. Salts for student salt example NaCl, sodium chloride, salt. Sir, what are the bases, sir? Right, very good. Yes, student. Base definition. Next, bases are soapy to touch. Okay, soapy to touch is called bases. Bases example basically NaOH, sodium hydroxide plus KOH, potassium hydroxide. Students, NH4, ammonium hydroxide. All are bases students. Okay, right. Next, the substances which turns red litmus to blue color is basic in nature. Here see all bases red litmus to blue color, all acids turn blue litmus to red color. That is different. Most important point. Next, students, here see students, right. The acidic basic neutral nature of solution is identified by using indicators. Acid or base use indicators. Sir, what are the indicators? Yes, indicators. Indicators helps us to find whether the solution is acidic, students, acidic or basic or neutral. That is important. Indicator use. Next, indicators. Examples. Indicators are neutral like viscous, turmeric, rose paper. Next, laboratory indicators like methyl orange, phenolphthalein. Okay, two types indicators: natural indicators, synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators examples: methyl orange, phenolphthalein. Natural indicators example: SC, turmeric, rose paper, so on so. Okay, students. Okay, student. Next, neutralization. Most important, student. Neutralization. The chemical reaction in which an acid reacts with a base to form a salt and water is called neutralization. Okay, students. If an acid react with a base in proper proportion, we get salt and water. Is called neutralization. Let's see general equation, students. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Let's see example. See, friends. Acid. You know, strong acid HCl plus base NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Hydrochloric acid. Next to sodium hydroxide, base gives rise to formation salt water. Salt NaCl plus water. Water formula you know, students, H2O. Salt formula NaCl you know. This is called neutralization. Okay, students, understood? Most important. Right? Next, students, salts. Salts need not always be neutral. They can be acidic or basic. Okay, salt example you know, students, NaCl. Already I told this. Okay, students, thank you for watching. This is Satyanarayana signing off.